In this stretch tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to stretch out the muscles of your glutes. So your glutes are your buttock muscles, and all you need to do is to have a mat for this stretch. Now, you can decide to have a pillow for your head, but it is totally optional. So firstly, I'm going to bring my feet in contact with the floor, and keeping a bent knee position, I'm then going to come back into a position where I'm laying on my back. I'm going to be bringing now my right leg across my left, and I've only got my ankle here in contact with my left thigh. So I'm at the very top of my left thigh, but I'm not quite at the knee. From here, I'm going to take both my hands. I'm going to reach for my left hamstring, which is the back of my leg, and I'm going to pull back. Where I'm looking to feel this is in my right glute, so my right buttock, and then I can control the amount of resistance I put onto this stretch by pulling back more for a deeper stretch or easing off in terms of the position for a lighter stretch. Once you've repeated your desired amount of sets and your desired amount of seconds, you can then do exactly the same on the other side. So again, once we've got into this position where we've got the ankle over the thigh, just beneath the knee, I then bring both hands onto the back of my leg or back of my thigh, and I'm going to pull in, and you're always looking to match the amount of seconds and sets that you did on the previous side. Once you've done this, if you find that you're in this position and unlike looking like I am, you're like this and you just are absolutely struggling to keep the position, what you might want to do is have this foot against the wall. So with this foot against the wall, you then don't have to use your hands as you come into the position. So if you're really struggling in this point, just pop your foot against the wall, and that may be a better alternative for you.